Hello, in this video we're gonna check which gesture and motion options are available for the lock screen on Motorola Razr 2022. So here, let me show you, I have a lock screen set up. It's a pattern. And now let's move on to the settings. Here find the system on the bottom, then gestures. And here's all of the gestures, but some of them might not work on a lock screen. So let's find out which one. And first one is wake display. So this obviously works on a lock screen. And if you enable both of the settings and lock your screen, now tap on the phone, it should wake up the screen. Also works when you move the phone. Next one is double press power key, and if you click on it you can change different controls for it. So for example, launch assistant or launch camera. And now let's use a camera for example. So we're gonna lock the screen and then double press the power key. So it works on a lock screen as it opened our camera. Next two are obviously not for a lock screen. There's a system navigation as well as the one-handed mode, so we're gonna skip them. There's a power touch, double tap on the power key for a quick shortcut, and that's not pressing, that's a tapping. So let's click on it. Here make sure that it's on, go for the settings, select double tap and pick a different apps to be available for this mode. And let's try it on the lock screen. Probably won't work, but maybe. Yeah, it doesn't work. So this one is off. Next is prevent ringing, and that we can also skip. There's a three fingerprint screenshot, which honestly doesn't make much sense, but we can try enabling it and locking our device and trying to take a screenshot. But it doesn't work. There's fast flashlight. Turn the flashlight on and off when to chopping motions. So now let's try locking our phone and perform 2 karate chops and see if the flashlight will turn on. It works, and now to turn it off, the same motion. Here's a quick capture. Twist your wrist twice quickly to open the camera anytime. And we can try that on the lock screen. It works. This last one is to swipe to split, and this won't work on the lock screen I guess, but let's try that. So we need to perform this motion, but it doesn't work. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.